Okay, you guys, my coffee pot stopped working on me this morning, so I'm having to improvise. So what I've done, I've taken the strainer out of my juicer and using the measuring cup that's also from my juicer, and I am going to put coffee in the strainer. And I have boiled some water. So I'm putting 2 tablespoons of coffee in the strainer. And then I will pour the water over the strainer. Okay, pouring the water over the strainer. Careful not to overfill, and let that drain down into the measuring cup. This is about 2 large cups of water. So this is the cup, 2 cups of water, this size cup. And I'll let that drain down. Just keep pouring the water in the strainer until it all drains down. Okay, my last batch of water I poured into the strainer. Now I'm just gonna place a saucer over the container and let the remainder of the water drain through the strainer. Okay, all my water is drained through the strainer, so I will remove that. And here's my coffee. So that is how you improvise a coffee maker or a coffee pot. Thanks for watching.